And now it's time for Vantage Shots, images that tell the story. The world's largest collection of Shakespeare's works, printed 400 years ago, goes on display in the United States. Wildfires in New Mexico damage hundreds of homes, causing 8,000 residents to evacuate. And it's not Zorro or a Ninja Turtle. It's French football player Kylian Mbappe. He's back to practice with a mask after he broke his nose in the opening Euro match. Finally, we're taking you back in history. On this day in 1990, a massive earthquake devastated Iran. Nearly 50,000 people were killed, more than 150,000 were injured, and millions were left homeless. Iran received assistance and aid from across the globe, including from the United States. We're leaving you on that note. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. On the show today, the T20 World Cup bandwagon fans moved across to the West Indies. What can we expect from this?
Hello, I'm Alison Green, coming to you from Durban, South Africa. Today we have a special show.
Start with a report on India's shifting nuclear posture. The first time since India officially became a nuclear power.
Hello and welcome to Firstpost America. I'm Aaron Ham, coming to you live from the nation's capital, Washington, D.C.